In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or detach a component in Figma, something you'll do all the time when working with templates, UI kits, or any design system. Components are incredibly powerful, but sometimes you just need to break a connection so you can customize an element freely without affecting anything else. Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your Figma file and locating the component instance you want to edit. This could be a button, a card, a navigation bar, or even a complex section imported from a design library. You'll know it's a component instance when you see the little diamond icon in the top left of the selection box. That icon tells you the element is linked to a master component somewhere else in the file. Once you click on the component instance, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. Under the Design tab, you'll see a section called Instance or Component Properties. This panel shows the component's name, its state, any variants, and the overrides you can adjust. But if you want to completely remove the link, there's one button that does exactly that. In the Instance panel, look for Detach Instance. Click it once, and immediately the component loses its connection to the master source. The diamond icon disappears, and the element is now a regular group or frame you can edit however you want. This means you can change its layers, colors, structure, spacing, everything. There's no risk of your edits being overridden by the original component anymore. Detaching is extremely useful when you're using a template that includes components you want to customize deeply, or when you want one-off custom layouts without affecting the rest of your design system. But a quick warning, once you detach, the element no longer updates when the master component changes, so detach only when you're sure you need independence. If instead of detaching, you simply want to remove the component from your canvas, just select it and press delete on your keyboard. But remember, deleting an instance doesn't delete the master component. The main component will still exist in your assets panel unless you remove it manually, and that's it. Open your file, select your component instance, go to the sidebar and click Detach Instance to convert it into a fully editable design element. It's quick, clean, and one of the most important Figma skills to understand when working with large design libraries.